Detroit to Toronto, I'm here to talk about the realities of mental illness and how it can affect our ability to succeed in our online business ventures. It's important to remember that mental illness is real, and it's sometimes we can't ignore it if we're serious about our business endeavors. It starts with setting the right mindset and having the trust in the process. The journey ahead, it won't be easy, and it won't always be perfect, but adopting a mentality of taking one of imperfect action every day, it will make a difference. Don't forget, we're in this together. Using digital real estate can unlock potential rewards that are huge, that can brand for your online presence. This can bring people on a global scale, Detroit to Toronto, opportunities that you never thought that would exist. Your message is unique. God created you to be unique. Your legacy is always here to take action. Take advantage of it. Go out there and leverage your resources. Digital real estate, have the confidence to go after your dreams, your why. Turn your dreams into realities. Remember, the journey to success can be difficult, but with the right approach, dedication, and strong support, achieving your dreams will become a reality. Don't be scared to ask for help. Be confident in your decisions and make it to reach your goals. We're all capable of making a journey from Detroit to Toronto like success or even greater heights. So are you ready to get started? I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Let's go, Toronto. Stand up.